Is your HVAC system struggling to keep your home cool? Let's dive into the common causes of airflow problems and discover how to fix them. First up, clogged air filters. Neglecting AC maintenance can lead to dirty filters, blocking airflow and creating uneven temperatures in your home. The fix? Clean your filters every 2 weeks and replace them every 3 to 4 months, or more often if you're in a humid or polluted area. Dirty coils can hinder your AC's ability to cool effectively, impacting airflow. Regularly clean the coils or have a professional do it to prevent damage. Oversized and undersized HVAC units. An oversized unit short cycles, turning on and off frequently, while a smaller unit overworks itself. Both issues lead to poor airflow. Consult a professional to determine the right size unit for your home. Debris accumulation around outdoor units can cause overheating and reduce airflow. Regularly clean around your unit to keep it running smoothly. Low refrigerant levels, often due to leaks, can severely impact airflow. Contact a professional to refill the refrigerant and check for leaks. A faulty thermostat can disrupt airflow. It might seem unrelated, but inaccurate temperature readings can cause problems. Recalibrate your thermostat to ensure it's functioning correctly. By addressing these common airflow issues, you can enhance your HVAC performance and enjoy a perfectly comfortable home.